Welcome to our channel. We are going to learn about perimeter and area of square, rectangle and triangle, its definitions and also formulas. Now let us see the definitions. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape or the boundary of a closed plane figure. Let us see the example. I have taken octagon which is having 8 sides. Each side is 3 centimeter. So perimeter is what? Just adding all the sides. So I added how many sides? 8 sides. So I added 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 like 8 times, which is equal to 24 centimeter. See, in this example 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter, which I taken a rectangle. So I just add the boundaries length. That's all, which is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, that is 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 18 centimeter. So perimeter is adding the boundaries. What is meant by area? Area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. That is, area means what? What is the space occupied inside the shape? See, in this figure I have taken 6 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. So how many cubes? That is 1 unit square I can take. See, I have taken this side, that is length side 6 centimeter, 6 boxes are drawn. This breadth side I have taken 3 boxes. Like this I have to fill the rectangle. So how many boxes total we will get? Let's see. 6 3 is how much? 18. So this box is the colored portions or the areas occupied inside this shape. Okay. So in any shape you can take whatever it may be. It should be occupied that shape. That is the area of that shape. Okay. Here I have taken rectangle. You understand this? Next, what is the difference between perimeter and area? Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. Area measures the space inside a shape. Okay, clearly understand this? Perimeter is just adding the outer distance. That is boundary. Area is inside that shape. Okay. Perimeter formulas. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into sides, because 4 sides are equal, so 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 lengths are same, 2 breadths are same. Okay. So perimeter of triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. All the sides you have to just add. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into sides, because all sides are equal. So 3 into sides. Area formulas. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of triangle is equal to half into area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, what is that? Length into breadth. Therefore half into length into breadth, which is equal to breadth into height divided by 2. That is, you can say base into height divided by 2 is also a area of triangle. So you clearly understand the perimeter formulas and area formulas. If you do the problems on these formulas, you will get familiar with the formulas. Problems on perimeter. The side of square is 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the square. Side is equal to 5 centimeter given. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 centimeter. I understand perimeter is easy, just multiply 4 into side. Okay, that is 4 into 5 is equal to 20 centimeter. Next one, the rectangle box has a length of 6 centimeter and a width of 3 centimeter. Find the boundary distance of the box. Boundary means perimeter. What is given? Length is equal to 6 centimeter, width is equal to 3 centimeter. So what is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? Is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, which is 2 into length is 6, breadth is 3. So 6 plus 3 centimeter. Therefore 2 into 6 plus 3 9. So 2 into 9 centimeter, which is equal to 18 centimeter. So that is the perimeter of the rectangle box. See in this problem, the sides of triangle are 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Three sides are A is equal to 4 centimeter, B is equal to 6 centimeter, C is equal to 5 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to, just add all these sides. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Next one, the perimeter of the square fence is 24 centimeter. Find the side of the square. Given perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. For perimeter is equal to what? 4 into side. Because square, so you have to use square formula. For perimeter, how much? 24. 4 into side you have to find. So write it side. So for 24 divided by 4 is equal to side. So 4 will come this to left side. So which is equal to 6 is equal to side. Side of the square fence is 6 centimeter. Understand this? Because 4, why 4 is in the numerator, if it comes to left side, it goes to the denominator. Next problem. The perimeter of the rectangular photo frame is 40 centimeter. Length is 6 centimeter. Find the breadth. Given perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Length is equal to 6 centimeter. Breadth is equal to, want to find. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is what given? 40. So you write it on the left side, which is equal to 2 into 6 plus B, because the length is given 6. So 6 plus B. 2 is in multiplication, so the 2 should be come to the denominators, to the left side. 40 by 2 is equal to 6 plus B. It is 20 is equal to 6 plus B. So 6 will come to left side, that is minus. 20 minus 6 is equal to B, which is equal to 14. Therefore, breadth is equal to 14 centimeter. Like this, you have to find the length also. The perimeter of the triangle is 54 centimeter. The two sides are 18 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Find the third side of the triangle. What is given here? Perimeter is given 54 centimeter. A is equal to 18 centimeter. B is equal to 12 centimeter. C is equal to find. Okay. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So perimeter is given 54. So you write it 54 in the left side. On the right side 18 plus 12 plus C. So add 18 plus 12, that is equal to 30 plus C. So 30 should go to the left side. So 54 minus 30 is equal to C. Therefore 24 is equal to C. Therefore the third side is 24 centimeter. Okay, when it is addition, it goes to the left side, it goes to minus 30. So problems on area. Find the area of square of side 9 centimeter. What is given? Side is equal to 9 centimeter. So it's easy formula. Area of square is equal to side into side. 9 into 9, which is equal to 81 square centimeter. So just multiply this side into side. You will get the area of square. Okay, understand this? Next you see the problem on area of square box is 36 square centimeter. Then find its side. See here area is given, you have to find this side. So area of square is equal to side into side. Area is given 36. So write 36 on the left side, which is equal to side into side. So 36 you have to divide into 6 into 6, which is equal to side into side. So side of the box is 6 centimeter. Okay. This is side into side, same value. So it split the 36 into same digits. So 36, how we can split? 6 into 6. Okay. Next one. The length of the rectangular field is 16 centimeter and the breadth is 8 centimeter. Area of the field is how much square centimeter? That is, length is given 16 centimeter, breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 16 into 8. Which is equal to 128 square centimeter. Just multiply length into breadth. You will get area of rectangle. Okay, next problem you see here. Area of rectangular field is 56 square centimeter and length of the field is 8 centimeter. Then find the breadth of the field. What is given? Area is given 56 centimeter and length is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 56 you write on the left side, 8 centimeter into breadth. Length is given 8 centimeter. 56 divided by 8. So you will get cross multiplied. So 56 divided by 8 is equal to breadth, which is equal to 7 is equal to breadth. Therefore, breadth of the field is equal to 7 centimeter. Next, the base of the triangle is 6 centimeter and height of the triangle is 9 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Base equal to 6 centimeter, height is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to base into height divided by 2. Therefore, 6 into 9 divided by 2, 54 by 2 is equal to 27 square centimeter. Okay, understand this. Base into height divided by 2 is the area of triangle. So, 24 square centimeter. Okay, have you understand all this problems till now? Next you see, area of the triangle sheet is 63 square centimeter. The base of the sheet is 7 centimeter and find the height of the sheet. Area is equal to 63 square centimeter. Base is equal to 7 centimeter. So, you have to find height. That is, what is the formula? 2 into area of the triangle is equal to base into height. Therefore, 2 into 63, which is equal to 7 into height. Okay, base is 7, so height want to find. 2 into 63, 126, which is equal to 7 into height. So, you have to bring the 7 to the left side. Therefore, 126 divided by 7 is equal to height. 126 divided by 7 is equal to 18 is equal to height. Therefore, height of the triangle sheet is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, understand how to find this? 2 into area of triangle is equal to base into height. A square carrom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much its area? What is given here? Perimeter is given. You have to find area and also side. So, perimeter of square carrom is equal to 4 into side. That is 320 is equal to 4 into side. 320 by 4 is equal to side. Therefore, 80 is equal to side. So, from this, you find area of square carrom is equal to side into side, which is equal to 80 into 80, which is equal to 6,400 square centimeters. Okay, you see in this problem, perimeter and area only is, perimeter is given, they are asking area. So, perimeter you can find side, from the side you can find area. So, these all the problems based on this. Okay, have you understand this? Please subscribe my channel and wish you a happy new year. Thank you.